Hi, thanks for watching the video. This video is about modern main gate and steel gate design ideas. In this video, we will share with you not only designs but also will give you detailed information about front gate or main entrance gates of the house. When searching for modern gate designs, consider your preferences, the overall architectural style of your home, and any specific functionality you may require. You can find inspiration from this video to select the design. There are different types of the gates for your house: wooden main gate, metal gate or steel gate, chrome coated wooden and metal gate. There are various styles and materials to consider. Here are some main and popular trends. Metal gates. The iron that's used to create gates is actually called wrought iron, which is an alloy and comes with its own advantages and disadvantages. Wrought iron gates are popular for their durability and modern look. They can be customized with intricate designs or kept simple for a sleek appearance. Wrought iron is without a doubt the strongest and most hard-wearing materials for gates and railings. It holds up against physical damage and can't be easily broken through or torn down, meaning your property is safe from unwanted visitors. Wrought iron is prone to rust, whereas steel contains nickel and chromium, making it more resistant to rust. Without these elements, steel isn't as resistant and doesn't have the longevity of iron. With proper care and protection, however, wrought iron can be free of rust and will stand the test of time. Both steel and iron are long-lasting and durable as a choice for gates. If they are well maintained, they will last considerably longer than wooden gates. For this reason, many people will opt for iron or steel gates, believing them to be unrivaled when it comes to durability. Steel gates tend to be more cost-effective than wrought iron gates, making them a practical choice for those seeking a balance between durability and affordability. The initial savings, along with reduced maintenance cost, make steel gates an effective option. Grade 3 or 4 is a decent option in long run for gates, even though aesthetic appearance contributes more inclinates for grade 3 or 4. Grade 2 or 2 is a good, cheaper option, but its corrosion resistant property is not comparable to grade 3 or 4. There is another type of gate which called wooden and metal combination. Combining wooden with metal elements create a warm yet modern aesthetic. The contrast between natural wood and metal can be visually appealing. Automated gates are integration of automated system for convenience and security. It can include features like remote control or smartphone access. Gates with LED lights integrated into the gate design for a contemporary and stylish look provides illumination for both aesthetic and functional purposes. Glass gates are also another choice for modern gate style. Glass gates can create a modern and elegant entrance, often paired with metal frames or accents. There is another type of gate which is called sliding gates. Contemporary sliding gate designs are space efficient and functional, commonly used in modern homes with limited driveway space. There is another choice which can be custom designs. Many homeowners opt for custom designs that reflect their personal style. This allows for creativity and uniqueness in the gate design. So when searching for front gate designs made of iron, you can find a variety of options that combine both aesthetic appeal and security. Some popular iron gate design includes modern iron gate. Contemporary design may focus on sleek lines and geometric patterns, offering a more minimalist and modern look. Double iron gates are ideal for wider entrance. Double iron gates provide a grand and symmetrical entrance to your property. Some iron gates come with automation features such as remote control or keypad entry, adding convenience and an extra layer of security. So at the end of this video, I want to request you please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.